My name is Bryn Jones. I was a deputy of a district for St John's Colliery during a miners' strike in the 1980s. Some men were pumping water to try and stop the mine from flooding. My job was to make sure they were in a safe environment. One day we came up the pit and the manager's car had been tipped over the banking. We noticed that we were barricaded in by the striking workmen and they were surrounding the old pit. Then they came around and threatening and shouting that they were going to get our families if we don't come out on strike. I had to phone my families up to tell them to keep them in and lock all the doors because I was afraid. The policeman came up to the colliery because we were under such threats from strikers that they even brought dogs up to protect us. We had to sleep in the pithead baths and we phoned the local farmer if he could get food, which he brought to us, and then the strikers found out what he was doing and they went up to his farm and threatened him and his house if they give us any more. The week after we had a meeting in my stag and decided to go on strike. But we were threatened by NACO's union that if we didn't go back to work, we'd have our houses and our savings taken off from us, so we had no choice. I was called a scab, and when I go to my local pub, I'd be sat on my own. I'd have £20 a week. The strikers were having nothing. We used to buy goods and try and help them. One of my friends was a NUM member, not having any food or money. He had to go to hospital because of malnutrition. After the strike, when the pits closed, we felt betrayed. I worked in the mines for over 45 years. It was my life.